So I got a phone call from my friend, and he has a Chromebook, and his computer was frozen. He told me he was looking up everything he could look up to unfreeze it, and everything was relating to Windows, but Chromebooks don't work the same way. If you ever get a frozen screen and you can't do anything, you can't shut down the power button, you can't do anything. What you want to do, because Chrome works different, is you want to press this key here and at the same time press the power key. And what will happen is it'll go black, the screen, and it'll reset. But you also want to make sure the power connector is in. So then it'll go right here to Chrome OS, and the screen will pop up, allowing you to re-sign back in, and you're all set, okay? So thank you all very much for watching this video, and just keep this in mind that power source, these two keys, the circular key here with the power button at the same exact time. One more time, the circular key here above the 3 and the 4, and the power button. So you press them both at the same time, the screen goes black, and it allows you to reset your computer and start over from scratch, okay? Thank you. Send some comments below. I know this isn't my typical video that I make, but I just want to thank you guys anyway. Hit the like button, by the way.